Yo, what's up? Alright, how are you today, guys? I hope that you are doing well. So today, this is a special day because we've got so many requests asking us about, can you please go to the opening of the IKEA or whatever you call. And look, behind me, the queue. So long. I think that it will take me 5 years or 10 years to get inside.
It's for sure very long.
Oh
The
my
queue is
goodness.
amazingly long. The people are like, wow. And deep inside must be also very busy. So as Winnie said, probably we're gonna wait for 1 hour or so. So please comment below, guys, if you really would like to see what is inside of the first Bali IKEA inside. If you would really like to see inside, just press yes, comment below yes. So if will be many people like this, I will go there one day, maybe when the traffic already a little bit less. And meanwhile, we're gonna explore a little bit of the area and some food, because we are hungry already, yes?
Yeah, I think that you need to bring your own radlers with you in the backpack while waiting.
Not
Look
allowed,
at
but in the
that.
waiting, yeah.
Oh my god, they even have chairs there. And you see the queue just like waiting for, I don't know. Alright, so this is the first time I see the central Kuta parking is so busy just like normal time. As you see the cars behind me, the traffic and the people there waiting is just like waiting to get facts. Sorry to say, but this is how it is. You know, like they are really, I think, crazy of that. But I don't know. Maybe let's go there next time, in different time, not today.
Anyway, check this out, this traffic. Really, seriously, like long time I didn't see the traffic in Bali. On this area of Kuta, especially like that, to compare to the last my videos, that's the big change. But well, IKEA is open, that's why. In Bali it's like this, like something famous is open, everybody wanna see in the first days. That's how it is. Anyway, so many places to eat around also, and also is Ace Hardware there.
But seems like the Ace Hardware is not as hype, it's not as busy as the IKEA. You know, where you saw that the people just sitting on the chair, even like, you know, standing while waiting for the queue. And yeah, this is how it is. The situation today in the Kuta Central Parking. Also, we see that some buildings there also left abandoned. Some business also left abandoned because when it was a normal time, Kuta Central Parking is very famous for the business, for the trade center in Kuta. So
There is also the place where you can make tests for you know what, and this is little bit of the street food area, the main street in the central parking.
So this area is also famous for the center of culinary, and you see that in front of me one of the restaurant, coffee shop, and also like shopping center. Yeah, it seems like the life here is slowly going back to normal. You see like many shops, even that again some buildings are still closed, some business are closed. But you see, like in front of us, the street food market also is already open.
Exactly, the culinary. People love culinary. Even fancy coffee kiosk, I mean coffee place.
So this one is also the famous Korean supermarket in the area of, what is it called? Kuta. You see, they said Korean Mart. So many Korean street food, and even the Kim So Hyun. I know that many Indonesian girls or Indonesian boys are crazy about Korean K-pop stars.
This guy?
I think so.
I don't know him, but it's okay, yeah, maybe. It looks pretty decent, alright.
Let's find a place for dinner.
There is some action here. I don't know. Wow! Ooh. And the moat, wow, so loud. Also in this area of Kuta you can find these super fancy karaoke places if you would like to go. I think it looks pretty nice. Karaoke lounge. Looks colorful, and even, I don't know if it's busy or not, but looks pretty nice.
Okay, So we decided to head to Jalan Dewi Sri in Kuta. You see this road? Wow, this road is kind of busy, and then everywhere is just like, you know, karaoke, restaurant. Seems like life here especially in this area, in this Kuta area, is much more busier than the area in the, you know, like Popis Lane or Lagian Lane. Even so many street food, so many warungs or restaurant, and also oleh-oleh shop.
And somebody here have also Tesla parked.
You see that, yeah, I can say that the busy.
Definitely much busier than the tourist places like central tourists, but here
You see live music. I think that the domestic tourists nowadays make it busy.
yeah, on the big street, right?
Yeah.
Because this is the big street in Kuta.
And also there are many, what is it called, city hotel or 3-star or 4-star hotel in this area in Jalan Dewi Sri. You see that. I think that nowadays the restaurant, I mean like the hotel, 3-star hotel in this area is much more busier than the area in the beachfront. And here is the famous Dewi Sri Food Center. You see? And the traffic seems, I don't know. If you ever been here in this area, Legian, Kuta, Dewi Sri, so this is how it is at night time. Yeah, what we can say, busy. So happy to see that.
Meanwhile, that's the little traffic on Kuta main junctions. Quite busy, I could say. And people driving all and in, yeah? Alright, and one more time, guys, just let me know if you would like to see the IKEA. I can really go inside and make a loud bikes special vlog for you, but let me know if you are really interested. Just say yes if you're interested.
Alright, so we were there in Kuta, Jalan Dewi Sri, and then I don't think that we found a place to have a dinner because there's so many people and so crowded. So yeah, we decided just to go home to Sanur. I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!